Hi, I'm Dr. David Haase, and today I'm answering some of the most common questions I get asked about health, wellness, and the work we do at MaxWell Clinic. So let's dive right in. Well, the one thing that you can do today to improve your health is to be honest with yourself about your health. Oh my gosh, it pains me so much, especially in the space of neurodegenerative disease, when people's memory are slipping a little bit and they live in denial. Denial is an absolute way to lead to destruction. If you deny that there's a problem, we can't do anything to help you. Aging happens. Little symptoms mean a lot. Your symptoms are your friends. Listen to your body. I think the most important thing you can do is to listen to your body and be honest when something isn't being optimal. And I think that should be your standard. Your maximum well-being should be your standard. Anything less than that, fine, just be honest about it. We love engaging with people who want to maximize their well-being just as much as we love to work with people who are struggling with a severe, chronic, challenging problem. We love to see people being better, but it all starts with honesty. Holistic medicine means that we look at the whole person, your body, your mind, and even your habitat, the environment you live in, because everything is connected. Your nature is connected to your nurture. Your seed is connected to your soil. We don't just focus on your symptoms. We focus on you in the context of this life that you're in the midst of. Think of it like cultivating a garden. You don't just water one plant. You nurture the soil. You make certain the sun comes in at the amount that's right and necessary at the right time. And you do everything around it to make the whole garden thrive. Because our bodies are able to create health, much like a garden is able to create plants. And a lot of little things are usually much more effective than just one thing. That's why we want to look at the whole picture. Holistic is a good word to think about that. Not at all. We help people with chronic illness, but we also work with a lot of individuals who feel good and want to optimize their health, prevent future issues, and just live their best life. Health is not just about fixing problems. It's about building resilience, maximizing your achievement, your enjoyment, and your longevity. We have actually a variety of patients we get to work with, and sometimes it's the same person because people come to us with a challenge and they start getting better. And as they get better, they realize, oh, I have other challenges. They're just not as profound as that first thing I started with. And then they keep getting better. And slowly and surely, our human desire to be the most that we can be leads to this wonderful long-term relationship of continuing to ask, how can I maximize my well-being, and what is the next thing that we can do together? Taking care of yourself is an absolute imperative part of your life journey. And I don't think that should be, getting great care should not just be limited to the sick. Most people are surprised to learn that health is really a process that involves a lot of little things, or I just say a lot of things, as opposed to any one big cure. People say, they come to us and say, hey, I want to find the underlying cause of my illness. And we usually have to correct them, say causes. and when we're honest about this, we all know this is the case. But the best part about this is that quest of discovering and understanding and enabling your highest well-being is not something you have to do alone. We're here to guide you along the way, and we enjoy it. I mean, our clinicians and the rest of the healers at the clinic love what we get to do. And we feel very honored that that gets to be a part of what we do with our life. I would say start by improving your sleep. Sleep is foundational to health. Better sleep means better energy, focus, resilience. And do you know your brain drains while you sleep? There are these little channels in the brain called glymphatics, and they are like the lymphatic vessels of the brain. When you sleep deeply, your brain actually gets to drain out the residual toxins and metabolic byproducts of the day. So go to bed as early as works for you, and try to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves consistency. Get morning sunlight if at all possible. It's great to see the sun come up and the sun go down with natural light. It's something called a Zeitgeber, and that means time giver in German. It actually helps set your body clock. And when your body clock is working, this rhythm of sleep-wake starts to work with all the other rhythms in your body. Your respiratory rhythm, your cardiac rhythm, your neurologic rhythms. It's all foundationally connected to your sleep-wake rhythm. Okay, so if you have any questions for me, drop it in the comments or reach out to MaxWell Clinic. We'd love to hear from you. Your health journey starts with asking the right questions, with being honest about where you are. And I want to congratulate you because just listening to this, I bet you've come up with a couple of things that could be better. And I want you to recognize that you have all the resources you need to move forward in your life. Let's explore your options together and see that you can experience MaxWell. Take care.